birthday, Venice! Wish ko sa'yo, sana all your dreams matupad and maging mabuting anak. Lagi, alam naman namin yan. Kahit wala si mama mo sa tabi nyo, masipag pa rin pag-aaral and happy birthday, Venice!
And I won't let you down. I couldn't find what I was missing.
Happy 18th birthday, Venice. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Isi-exit mo lang yung pinayo namin sa'yo ni Tia. Sa puso, lahat ng yun ay mapapaganda ka. Basta nandito lang kami sa tabi mo, nakalalay, laging nakasuporta sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday and good health.
I know you're good for me. I think I'm good for you. So let's see what tonight brings. Maybe it's a good thing. So it's a good thing. Maybe it's a good
Hindi na, kuya mo. Kung may mga problema ka, sabihin mo lang sa akin. Dito lang ako. Yun lang naman. Mahal na mahal ka ng kuya mo.
If we know how to make mistakes, then we belong inside this world.
Happy birthday, ate. Thank you for being such a great sister to me na lagi mo sinasamahan sa kahit kahit papagalitan pa tayo. Tapos, ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo ay makinig ka lang lagi kay mama nang hindi tayo mapagalitan.
Maybe you're the one for me. The only good thing I see is you. Good thing it's only me and you.
Bilang isang magulang, is gagawin mo lahat para sa anak mo. Yung kanyang plano sa buhay, yung kanyang pangarap. Kahit mag-isa na ako, hanggat makakaya ko, tataguyod ko yung kanyang pag-aaral.
Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it's a good thing too. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it's a good thing too.
Asikaso, although hindi ko naman masabi na sa panahong dadaan kung anong magiging sitwasyon. Pero as of now, napakabait ng anak ko, napakalambing. Ganon ko i-describe si Venice.
There's a shadow in your eyes where we used to shine. Are we done with the highs?
Happy birthday, Ate Venice! Happy birthday, Ate Venice! More and more birthdays to come po, and always pursue your dreams. Happy birthday!
Me, but even then it still hurt like it's heaven. Oh,
Ang wish ko lang ay sana maging happy ka through all these years na darating pa. And sana magkasusuka sa kahit anong laban. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo.
I remember, hold me close, you and I set the world on fire. I remember.
Sana patuloy lang yung pagiging joyful mo, and then sana makapag-hangout pa tayo lalo kasi din tayo nakapag.
Hold me close, you.
Sana mas pahalagahan mo yung sarili mo, know your value, and always love yourself the way we do. Enjoy your night, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Sana i-enjoy mo to as much as we will enjoy this night. So, happy birthday!
Happy 80th birthday, ate. Although, marami struggle before nating marating tong pinakahihintay mo. Napakabuti ng Diyos dahil ginabayan niya tayo. Lagi ko sinasabi na ang Diyos ang gumagabay sa atin sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. Kung plano niya talaga, ibibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. I love you, anak. Mag-aral na mabuti. Mahal na mahal kita, pati ni Kuya, tsaka ni Wolf, ni Papa. Alam ko mahal na mahal ka ni Papa.